Hey guys, this is Steve Buies from thehappyprofits.com, also known as FOMO NOMO, because that's what I had to name myself so I'd stop doing the fear of missing out. Well, we have a lot of good strategies and a lot of good trades, and we have a very simple process. If you have very little time and then you want to learn how to make some money in a short amount of time and not make big mistakes like a lot of early on traders do, such as being led to believe breakout trades are the best, and they're not because they're basically not a crapshoot. So we're going to go over the two trades today. Hope you like them. There are actually about three of them. We're going to go with NWTG. Broke out at 182 right here. We drew our fibs at the first 5 minutes at 182. It broke out. It did do a pullback at around 220. We did look at a re-entry at the bounce of the 191 tips here as support, and it did support, and it did try the high of the pre-market again. So good trade ICCT. It is currently moving right here. It did do a shallow W. A couple of our traders called it on the downtrend. We did look at this. I did draw a line at 61 cents. It did bust up all the way and tried here, and also another shallow W currently right here on this trade that's going currently. So the stock's still going pretty well for a micro float of 2 mil. Over here, Court was called out at here 99.60. It did re-break here at 92.50. Went up here, did shuffle. Right here's another shallow W that was called out by myself at 98.25, and it's still grinding up to 103. So you could have got in a lot lower trades. NWTG, that was that one that we looked at as soon as we got on the screen. A nice big downtrend before the open market, very low shares, and it did try those pre-market highs. So again, a good trade here, told to get out, and you could have been getting in one more time here, and it did do a big strong push up. MLGO, we had a lot of traders that did do this. Kevin really got a good move. You'll see a couple easy moves here, a breakout of this after finding support. Support's right here, and then a breakout of this resistance, another one right here. And then once I saw this, that's when I pretty much told everybody I would stop trading this for a long. And you still currently have a little bit of a move that happened here. But otherwise, it did try the high again. That's what it usually does. Did try again right here as it does. But once it starts breaking down, this is going to be the line that it's going to have to stay under. So keep that line in a minute. And if you're shorting, make sure you have alerts and some stop losses, just like the longs have all the time. Going to go to my size. That had a killer move right out the gate as well. It broke out at 217 right here after a quick pullback, which was beautiful. And it broke over the pre-market highs from Friday, and it just gained up to here. And then we start seeing divergence. You saw the retry of the high one more time, and then just a breakdown. It did not retry here. We just draw it, said that's what you're looking for. But if it doesn't present itself right here at this 245 area, just let it go. So those are a couple of good trades that we had today. QSG did a quick pop at the top right here, right at the open. And then right here, that's where we called it at the 425. But then it broke down. And then right here, it sets up another good trade. So there's plenty of good trades on a stock. If you miss one, you find yourself chasing, you find yourself a little unexperienced. Just there's a couple rules. You follow the couple rules, you're going to find yourself doing very well. So a couple of the rules that I've figured out after training for a while that I share that's going to save you a lot of time, heartache, and money. That'll be helpful. So, hey, y'all have a good day. Glad to help you out. Reach out if you need to at Telegram, FOMO, NOMO, or just call me, 281-250-9448. Be glad to help you and put you a little directive, okay? Y'all have a good one. Thank you so much.